How to quickly learn any skill and make money as a freelancer. Hello and welcome back to Money Vidi, where we tell you quick and easy ways to make money. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and if you have any comment, opinion or ideas about the video, please make sure to comment down below and also subscribe and hit the notification bell so that next time we upload a new video, you will be updated. Now let's get back to the video. In the current economy, more and more people are looking for ways to make money outside of the traditional 9-to-5 job. And one of the most popular ways to do this is through freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money because you can use your existing skills to quickly learn new ones and start earning an income. And the best part is, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. The benefits of learning new skills. As a freelancer, learning new skills is essential for success. When you learn new skills, you open yourself up to a whole world of possibilities. Not only can you take on more projects and earn more money, but you can also develop your understanding and expertise in various areas. How to set realistic goals. When it comes to learning new skills and making money as a freelancer, it is important to set realistic goals. This will keep you focused and motivated as you work towards achieving your goals. When setting goals, it is important to create short, medium, and long-term goals. Picking the right resources. When it comes to learning new skills, you need to make sure that you are picking the right resources. You don't want to waste your time using the wrong resources and missing out on valuable knowledge. When choosing the right resources, it is important to research different courses, tutorials, and books that can help you learn new skills. Look at the reviews, the cost, and the curriculum to make sure it will be beneficial to your learning. You can also look for resources that specialize in a certain type of skill. In addition, you can take advantage of online resources like YouTube, webinars, conferences, and more. How to make money freelancing. Once you have learned new skills, you can use them to make money freelance job. There are several ways to make money as a freelancer, including working for a client, starting a side hustle, or selling your services online. You can also find freelance jobs on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Finally, if you want to build a steady income, you can start your own business and market your services online. Here you can bundle your services and start building a brand by creating a website and social media profiles. Next steps. Now that you know the basics of freelancing and how to make money from it, the next step is to start implementing. This can include setting up a website, building a portfolio, reaching out to potential clients, and more. Once you have done this, it's time to start pitching your services to clients and other businesses. This includes marketing your services, networking, and presenting yourself as a professional. In addition, it is important to keep up with new trends and technologies that can help you learn new skills quickly. Utilize mentors, educational videos, and other resources to build your knowledge base. Money-making skills you can learn. 1. Programming, basic to advanced coding. The internet is full of programming resources and lessons on various websites like Khan Academy, YouTube, lynda.com, and many other platforms. You can learn these skills for free, and you can buy certain courses that have more sophisticated teaching methods and exercises. You can learn to build software and solutions for various user problems. You can build a solution that would benefit other businesses and sell it. You can also develop tools to improve existing software. 2. Web development. When we speak about web development, we tend to mistakenly think it is website development. It's so much more than just creating a website. It means creating online solutions, maintaining websites, security testing, and web-based applications. By learning this specific skill, you could get hired by tech companies or even marketing companies that help with website development to create websites for people who need them. 3. Mobile app development. The future is all about smartphones. This skill is closely related to the two above, but it has become a market by itself. There are various mobile platforms like iOS and Android. Each has a specific development requirement and kit suite. However, when you start tapping into the true power of app development and web development for mobile devices, the potentials are limitless and you can make magic into reality. 4. Digital marketing. We have all known that ads come in different formats and on different platforms. However, ads on the internet have taken a life of their own. There are many platforms to explore. Obviously, Google is a massive digital marketing platform because it's one of the most powerful companies on the internet. Google owns YouTube and numerous other big websites. There is also Facebook and its own marketing packages, and the case is the same for the rest of social media. Explore the world of online marketing and you will have huge doors opening for you. 5. Graphic design. Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, CorelDRAW and so many other programs would allow you to learn and sharpen your skills as a designer and earn big money. There is no limit to what a designer can do. You could be hired to design illustrations and concept art for various companies including video game companies. With this skill, you will be able to create various art for people who need art for specific purposes. 6. Real estate investment. This requires excellent communication skills to complement it. You can be a real estate agent. You can play around with the property market and make good money. Professionals need to take an exam here in Malaysia to get certified. By being a real estate agent, you would have access to specific knowledge about properties that not a lot of people know about. You could eventually make a career in real estate as well. 7. Foreign currency exchange trading, Forex. It is a real skill to be able to read the foreign currency exchange market, analyze the numbers, produce good speculations and place various orders. It is not something that you should take lightly. It also requires other complementary skills like analytical skills and the ability to follow political news and business updates. However, this kind of skill requires a startup capital. 8. Video game testing. If you like to play video games and put hours of your day into playing a video game, you develop a skill that would allow you to understand a video game better than others. Things like the game's storyline and narrative, characters, graphic effects, play experience, technique, special tricks and so much more. Game testing is real hard work. Testers spend at least 8 hours a day for 3 to 4 months continuously, earning about $8 to $10 an hour. 9. Creative writing. Writing is a skill that can pay very well. If you are good at it, you can write novels, screenplays, and other works. You can be a journalist, a columnist, a contributor to various newspapers, and online and traditional media. As a published author, you can earn well in royalties and contributions, and based on book sales. 10. Videography and cinematography. Making and editing videos is one heck of a skill. It requires knowledge of a number of editing softwares like Adobe Premiere, After Effects, knowledge in cameras and related equipment. Of course, there are many platforms to earn from, like YouTube. If you keep improving in this skill or keep doing this, you may be able to work as a filmmaker or even get to produce short movies and TV dramas. By working on large-scale projects like films, you would be paid a lot more than usual. 11. Social media. Visibility on social media requires skills in creating content and developing ideas and various concepts. This is an emerging skill that is a real source of good income. By managing social media accounts for various different companies, you would have to ensure that the company's social media presence is positively viewed by people online, and ensure that the social media account has a lot of engagement. 12. Internet research. We spend at least 2 hours daily on the internet searching for different things, but there are people who can find information lurking in the hidden corners of the internet. These are very valuable skills that allow individuals to monetize it and turn it into a business. With this skill, you can offer people your service of searching for basically anything people want you to search. It could be something simple or it could be something that is really hard for regular people to find, so they hire you to search it for them. 13. Podcasting and alternative media. This is the main competitor to mainstream media, including television, radio and newspapers. It is a skill that has to do with developing quality content that attract listeners and viewers. Podcasters can earn very well, depending on the number of their listeners. It takes dedication, hard work and lots of patience to earn big money. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.